Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we're going over our old school fried pork chops, everybody. Our recipe, the full recipe is already posted on our YouTube that we posted earlier, last year, but it's there if you guys want to view it and check it out. Put it in our search engine as old school fried pork chops. We go through the whole process of how do you properly clean your pork chops, everybody. And it's not just by rinsing with water. We go through a process of how we clean pork chops, okay? Now, whoever taught you how to clean pork chops, that's fine. But how we do it here in Mama Soul Kitchen, we clean it thoroughly, okay? Oh, we got that right. We have no kind of things or residues hanging off our pork chops. We make sure it is clean because we don't know where it's coming from, everybody. Now, look at these nice succulent, how they're nicely coated and seasoned with flavor. And go over to our YouTube channel and subscribe and hit that notification bell for a lot more.